The Lost Cat. Emma loved her cat, Mimi. Mimi was an orange cat with soft fur and a round, chubby body. She was very playful and loved to explore. Every day, Emma played with Mimi in the garden after school. One sunny afternoon, Emma came home and looked for Mimi. "Mimi! Mimi!" she called. But Mimi did not come. Emma looked in the living room. She looked in the kitchen. She looked under the bed. "Mimi is not here," Emma said sadly. Emma went outside and walked around the neighborhood. "Have you seen my cat?" she asked her neighbor, Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown smiled kindly. "I saw a chubby orange cat near the park this afternoon," he said. "Thank you," said Emma. Emma ran to the park. She looked near the trees. She looked near the playground. But she could not find Mimi. Emma felt worried. Just then, she heard a soft sound. Emma stopped and listened carefully. "That sounds like Mimi," she said. She followed the sound and found Mimi hiding in the bushes. "Mimi!" Emma shouted happily. The chubby orange cat slowly came out from the bushes and rubbed against Emma's legs. "Oh, Mimi, I was looking for you everywhere," Emma said. Mimi looked up at Emma and gave a loud meow. Emma laughed and gently picked up her cat. "Let's go home," she said. When Emma arrived home, her mother smiled. "You found Mimi!" "Yes, I did," Emma replied happily. That evening, Emma gave Mimi some food and fresh water. Mimi ate happily and then curled up beside Emma on the sofa. Emma gently stroked Mimi's soft orange fur. "I am so glad you're home," she whispered. Mimi closed her eyes and purred softly. Emma smiled. It had been a long day, but now everything was okay. From that day on, Emma always made sure the garden gate was closed. And Mimi, the chubby orange cat, stayed safe at home.
Hello, kids! You have just watched a story about Emma and her lost cat, Mimi. Emma loved her cat very much. One day, Mimi disappeared, and Emma looked for her everywhere. At last, she found Mimi hiding in the bushes, and they happily went home together. Now, let's learn some English from this story. Are you ready? Let's begin. Vocabulary time. Let's learn some important words from the story. 1. Cat. A cat is a small pet animal. Example: Mimi is a cat. 2. Chubby. Chubby means a little fat in a cute way. Example: Mimi is a chubby cat. 3. Garden. A garden is a place where flowers and plants grow. Example: Emma played in the garden. 4. Neighborhood. A neighborhood is the area around your home. Example: Emma walked around the neighborhood. 5. Park. A park is a place where people can relax and play. Example: Emma ran to the park. 6. Bushes. Bushes are small plants with many branches and leaves. Example: Mimi was hiding in the bushes. 7. Worried. Worried means feeling nervous or concerned. Example: Emma felt worried. 8.
Safe. Safe means protected from danger. Example: Mimi was safe at home.
Let's learn some useful English expressions from the story. 1. Have you seen my cat? We use this expression when we are looking for our pet. Example: Emma, have you seen my cat? Mr. Brown, yes, I have. 2. Thank you. We use this expression when someone helps us. Example: Emma, thank you. Mr. Brown, you're welcome. 3. I found Mimi. We use this expression when we discover something or someone. Example: Emma, I found Mimi. Mom, that's great. Let's learn some grammar from the story. Today, we will learn about the simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to talk about something that happened in the past. Let's look at some examples from the story. Emma looked in the living room. Emma walked around the neighborhood. Emma called for Mimi. Emma found Mimi. Emma ran to the park. Did you notice the action words? Look became looked. Walk became walked. Call became called. Sometimes we add ed to the verb, but some verbs are different. Find became found. Run became ran. Hear became heard. Let's practice together. Look, looked. Walk, walked. Call, called. Smile, smiled. Find, found. Run, ran. Hear, heard. Excellent! Now, let's say one sentence together. Emma found Mimi. Great job, everyone! Let's check your understanding about the story. Choose the correct answer. 1. What was Mimi? A. A dog. B. A cat. C. A rabbit. Answer: B. A cat. 2. Where did Emma find Mimi? A. In the school. B. In the kitchen. C. In the bushes. Answer: C. In the bushes. 3. How did Emma feel when she found Mimi? A. Happy. B. Angry. C. Sleepy. Answer: A. Happy. Great job, kids! Let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Mimi is a chubby orange cat. Emma loves her cat. Have you seen my cat? Emma found Mimi. Mimi is safe at home. Excellent! This story teaches us to care for our pets. We should keep them safe and show them love every day. Today, you have learned English through a story called The Lost Cat. Every story you read or hear helps you learn new words, improve your listening skills, and become more confident in English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every day is a great day to learn something new. See you in the next story. Bye!